everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel Englishvinglish. I hope you're all doing good. So in today's video I'm going to discuss about some more about sentences. I have also discussed briefly about sentences and their kinds in my previous videos, and also about subject and predicate. I linked them down in the description box. Do watch them. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to discuss about subject verb agreement. Yes, it is also a major part whenever you are learning English or you're learning to make sentences. Without further ado, let's get started. Discussed in the last video that a sentence contains a subject, a verb and an object. A subject is something or someone who performs the activity. An action being performed is verb of the sentence. The subject and verb have to work together. They have to agree with each other. For example, if a subject is singular, then the verb is also going to be singular, and if the subject is plural, then the verb is also going to be plural. There are a few rules that are need to be followed, and I'll discuss them. First rule is, if the subject is singular, add s to the verb. I'll give an example. So here we have our first example, the dog walks down the street. In this example, dog is a singular subject. That is why we have added s to our verb, dog walks down the street. Second example is, Ria waters the plant in the garden. Again, singular subject and added s to the water. So Ria waters the plant in the garden. Third sentence is, Mohit writes neatly in his notebook. In this sentence as well, singular subject, so we have added s, writes to the verb. The second rule is, if the subject is plural, do not add s in the verb. First example, the dogs walk down the street. In the last one, the dog was singular, but in this one, the subject is plural, so we have not added s to the verb. Second sentence is, they water the plants in the garden. They is a plural subject, so no s to the verb. They water the plants in the garden. Another sentence is, they write neatly in their notebook. As we can see, there are two children sitting there, so they is a plural subject and no s to the verb. Third rule is, if the subject is I or you, that is in first person subject pronoun, do not add s to the verb. In this one, the first example is, I go to the park daily. The subject is I, so we have not added s to go. You do your work quietly. Again, the subject is you, so no s to do. You do your work quietly. The fourth rule is for the linking or the helping verbs. If the subject is singular, then the verb will be was, is, does, am, has. Whereas if the subject is plural, then the verb will be were, are, do, and have. So as we know, in linking or helping verbs, if the subject is singular, we are going to use was, has, is, does, or am. For example, I was writing for my play. She has been shopping all day long. Rahul is doing his homework. He does not like vanilla ice cream. I'm watching TV. So in the above sentences, we can see the subject is singular, so we have added was, has, is, does, and am. Whereas if the subject is plural, we are going to use were, have, are, and do. For example, they were rehearsing for their play. They have been shopping all day long. Rahul and Riya are doing their homework. You do not like vanilla ice cream? Mohan and his friends are watching TV. In the above sentences, the subject is plural, so that is why we have used were, have, and are as linking or helping verbs. Here is a short quiz for all of you. I hope you are going to enjoy it. I hope the video was helpful. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have an Instagram page where I discuss grammar tips and tricks. I'll link it down in the description box. Do follow me there as well. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.